Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access new Elden Ring content. First, make sure your game is completely up to date. This ensures compatibility with any new features or experimental builds you might encounter. Always back up your current game saves before attempting to modify your game or access unofficial content. This crucial step protects your progress, allowing you to revert if anything goes awry. Finally, confirm your PC or console meets the recommended specifications for optimal performance with any new additions. Many developers offer beta programs for upcoming content, allowing players to experience new features before general release. Keep a close eye on official Elden Ring news sources and the publisher's website for any announcements about beta opportunities. If a beta is available, register promptly and follow all provided instructions to download and install the specific beta client. Remember, beta versions may contain bugs and are not representative of the final product, but they offer an early glimpse. Sometimes, new content can be explored through dedicated community efforts or specific game versions. Search trusted Elden Ring community forums and wikis for information regarding experimental builds or fan-made content that might align with what you are seeking. Be sure to verify the legitimacy and safety of any downloads. Always prioritize official channels, but the community can sometimes offer unique insights or early looks at potential future additions to the game world. Once you have followed the steps to install a beta client or specific game version, launch Elden Ring. Carefully check the main menu, character creation, or in-game world for any new options, areas, or quest markers that signify the new content is active. If you are participating in a beta, remember to provide feedback on any bugs or performance issues you encounter. Enjoy exploring the new challenges and secrets that await you in the lands between.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.